Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We have this question to solve y plus 11 whole square equal to 81. So we will solve this question for the value of y. So there are two methods to solve this question. One is substitution method and the second is direct method. So let's try substitution method first. So method 1, that is substitution method. So we will put y plus 11 equal to t. So we will put t over here. So this will become t square equal to 81, and now we will take square root on both sides. So after taking square root on both sides, the value of t, this square root will cancel this square will cancel this square root, and here square root of 81 is plus minus 9. So t is plus minus 9, that means t is 9 and t is minus 9. So now we will put this value of t in the substitution. When t is equal to 9, first we will check this. So this was our substitution, y plus 11 equal to t. So now we will put t over here. So it will become y plus 11 equal to 9. Now we will send this 11 on other side of the equation. So it will become y equal to 9 minus 11, and 9 minus 11 equal to 2. So y equal to minus 2. So this is one value of y. Now we will check for other value of y when t is equal to minus 9. So when t is equal to minus 9, we will put in this equation y plus 11 equal to t. So here we will put minus 9, and now we will send this plus 11 on the other side of equation. So it will become y equal to minus 9 minus 11, and minus 9 minus 11 equal to minus 20. So y is equal to minus 20. So now we have two values of y, that is minus 2 and minus 20. This is the solution set, but before taking final decision, let's verify these two values one by one. So first we will verify this equation for the value of minus 2. So we will put when y equal to minus 2. So we will put this minus 2 over here. So let's put it. So minus 2 plus 11 whole square equal to 81. Minus 2 plus 11 equals 9. So 9 square equal to 81, and 9 square equal to 81. So 81 equal to 81, it means that it satisfies the equation. So it means that minus 2 is the true or right value of y. Now let's check it for the value of minus 20. So this was our solution set. So now we will verify for the value of y, which is equal to minus 20. So now when y equal to minus 20, so now we will put y equal to minus 20 in this equation. So it becomes minus 20 plus 11 all square equal to 81, and minus 20 plus 11 equal to minus 9. So minus 9 square equal to 81, and minus 9 square equal to 81, because when minus multiplies with minus, so minus multiplies minus equal plus. So 81 equal to 81. So it also satisfies this value, which is equal to minus 20. So finally the solution set is minus 2, minus 20. So the answer of this question is minus 2, minus 20 is the two solutions. Now we will apply method 2, which is direct method. So look over here in this question, the left hand side of the equation, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, or a plus b whole square, whatever you call it. So we will expand the formula. According to formula, when you have a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, so we will expand this question in this form. So it will become a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a equal to y and b equal to 11. So let's expand this question. So it will become y square plus 2y 11. Y is a and 11 is b. So 2y 11 plus 11 square equal to 81, and this will become y square. This will become 2 times 11 equal to 22, and 11 square equal to 121, which is equal to 81. Now we will send this 81 on the other side of equation. So it will subtract from 121. So it will become 40 when we subtract this 81 from 121. So it will become 40. So overall our equation is now y square plus 22y plus 40 equal to 0. Now we will factorize this. So if we factorize, if we split this value 22y into 2y plus 20y, which will again equal to 22y, 2y plus 20y, and if we multiply these two terms, so it will become 40y square, and this condition fulfills. So now we will take common in these two values, and similarly we will take common in these two terms are two values. So here y is common and here 20 is common. So let's take the common term. So here after taking y is common, the remaining term will be y, and here the remaining term will be plus 2. And similarly when we take 20 as common, so the remaining term will be y over here and plus 2 over here, which is equal to 0. Now if you look in these two terms, one term is this and one term is this. In both the terms y plus 2 is common, so we will take y plus 2 as common. So after taking y plus 2 as common, the remaining term is y over here, and plus 20 is here. So overall y plus 2 into y plus 20 equal to 0. Now we will compare these two terms with 0, that is y plus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 20 equal to 0. So let's compare it. So y plus 2 equal to 0 and y plus 20 equal to 0. Now in the next step we will send this plus 2 on the other side of equation, and similarly we will send this plus 20 on the other side of equation. So this will become minus 2 and this will become minus 20. So again our solution set is minus 2 minus 20. And as you know, we have verified or checked these two values for the value of y, and both the value satisfies the equation. So this is your answer, which we have solved by two methods. Now it's your choice, whatever the method you like. So thank you very much for watching. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comment section. Goodbye, take care.